there! Welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a sandcastle. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw the sandcastle. At the beginning I'm drawing a straight line. Now two tiny lines. Now I'm drawing few tiny lines. Okay, now I will be drawing a straight line. Here is the sand. Let's draw the castle again. These are tiny windows. I'm drawing more towers of the castle. This is the tallest one. I'm drawing more sand. Let's draw some bubbles. My drawing is done. Now it's time to do the coloring. For the coloring, I'm using my brown pencil. I'm using my brown pen. I'm using a yellow-orange pencil. For the rest, I'm using yellow colored pencil. Wow, it's looking amazing. Thank you so much for watching.